So recently I got this question as one of our YouTube comments saying, what kind of business allows you to write off a EV, an electrical vehicle, car, apart from being in real estate or sales? Well, the reality is that it goes back to the general deductibility rule. So as long as you can establish the cause and effect relationship between incurring the expense and earning that particular stream of business income or property income, you will have a chance of deducting the expenses, subject to a bunch of exceptions, obviously. So with automobile expenses, whether it is electrical vehicle or regular vehicle, it's the same way. As long as you need to use your car for the purpose of earning the income, you have a good case for deduction. Now, let me use an example to explain. Uber driver use their car to drive people around. That is a legitimate deduction. And so all the expenses related to the trip that allow them to take their clients around would be tax deductible. Very straightforward. Cause and effect relationship, car expense, Uber income, tax deductible. Now, another example is car rental business. You are buying the car or renting the car in order to rent it out to generate rental income, tax deductible as well. A good example within my clientele is dentists. We have a few dentists that work as associate, which means that they work as an associate dentist at multiple locations. So sometimes this particular dentist would work in Scarborough, and then sometimes she travel all the way to Cambridge to see her patients. She works at different office as their associate dentist. And she doesn't have a fixed office. So every time she travels to these offices from Scarborough to Oakville to Mississauga all the way to Cambridge, she would then be able to claim the mileage, because the reason why she's going to the Scarborough office is to generate the dental income. Now, another example, really simple, is the consultant visiting clients. And if you have a consulting business, you are visiting clients, the mileage that you incur to drive to visit your clients or any of your suppliers, if you are a manufacturing business, would be tax deductible. If you're a mortgage broker visiting to your clients, it would be, again, tax deductible. If you are in marketing, you're doing trade shows, again, you're doing the trade shows for your clients, tax deductible. So as long as you remember the general deductibility rule, you are allowed to deduct any expenses that you incur for the purpose of earning particular business income or property income. You would be then eligible for deduction. Same with automobile expenses.